This waterfront property overlooks the Irish Sea and the promenade in the popular traditional seaside town of Cleveleys in Lancashire. It's located less than 6 miles from the more famous Blackpool, in a regeneration area with improving employment prospects, easy access to the many popular beaches in the region, as well as surrounding areas of outstanding natural beauty. The final few 1 and 2 bedroom apartments are available, with up to 20% ROI forecast as a short stay rental investment. Prices start from £175,000, 10% below market value, with completion of the development on track for Q4 2025. As master agents, Portico can help you secure the best prices, offer help with UK mortgage lenders or setting up a limited company, provide a full property management service post-completion, and even develop a tailored strategy for building your portfolio. To get started or to find out the latest availability and pricing, register today and one of our investment team will be in touch.